If someone can't stand you, they rarely say it out loud. And that's the trap. MC1. Instead, they use subtle psychological moves that make you feel smaller while they look nice. Ever notice how we bend over backward for people who deep down want us to lose? Psychology suggests hidden dislike isn't dramatic. It's cool and patient, and yes, it shows up. You'll catch it in the quick stare they think you won't see, and in the way your name sounds in a room you've already left. If a person in your circle feels off, stop chasing their approval and start watching. The minute you stop sharing updates or doing favors, their vibe shifts almost instantly. Someone who truly resents you isn't trying to rebuild anything. They're waiting for you to stumble. That realization can hurt, but truth is how you protect your peace. Peace begins with honesty. A secret hater often hides behind helpful feedback or compliments that sting. It's the one who calls your mistakes out in public, then grins and says, "Relax, I'm only joking today."
Or the one who goes silent when you land a new job, better grades, anything. Why? Because your progress feels like their scoreboard slipping. They stay close enough to watch mistakes, yet distant enough to never offer a hand. The scariest part isn't anger. It's the slow drain on your confidence. They twist what you said, act confused, or hint you're overreacting until you start doubting your own memory.
Have you ever walked away thinking, "Did I imagine that?" They don't want a fight. They want you tired. And psychology points to two gifts they keep handing you: doubt and competition. Doubt because shaking your self-trust makes you easier to control. They question your ideas, spotlight every slip, and make you feel unqualified. Competition because they treat your life like a threat. They won't stay in their lane. They'd rather slow your pace. Even when you're not competing, they're comparing quietly, keeping score. Sound familiar? So what do? You don't need a confrontation, and you don't need to win them over. Notice this. Their negativity says more about their inner mess than your value. Real strength isn't winning the conversation. It's staying so locked in on your path that their energy can't reach you. Your focus is your shield. Watch patterns, trust your gut, and step back from anyone who brings tension instead of calm. If you want more psychology-based signs like this, drop a like and subscribe to Stoic Mind Factory, because protecting your peace is a skill.